It's a simple fact of life. Every single day, millions of us rely on a humble yet essential item, toilet paper. This unassuming paper product, often taken for granted, plays a crucial role in maintaining our hygiene and sanitation. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the journey of toilet paper, from its raw material origins to the neatly packaged rolls in our bathrooms? Our exploration takes us behind the scenes of this fascinating process, delving into the intricate machinery, cutting-edge technology, and the dedicated individuals responsible for bringing us this everyday necessity. Prepare to be amazed by the scale and complexity of toilet paper production, a testament to human ingenuity and our constant quest for improved hygiene and comfort. Join me as we unravel the mystery behind this ubiquitous household item, tracing its path from towering trees to the familiar rolls we use every day. Along the way, we'll uncover intriguing facts and surprising insights into the world of toilet paper manufacturing. Our journey begins in the heart of sustainably managed forests, where trees, primarily softwoods like spruce, pine and fir, stand tall. These trees, specifically chosen for their long fibers that contribute to the softness of toilet paper, are harvested with careful consideration for environmental impact. The harvested logs are then transported to pulp mills, marking the beginning of their transformation. At the mill, the logs undergo a fascinating process called pulping. The bark is stripped away and the wood is broken down into a fibrous slurry using mechanical or chemical methods. Mechanical pulping grinds the wood, while chemical pulping employs chemicals to dissolve lignin, the substance that binds wood fibers together. The resulting pulp, a milky white mixture, is then cleansed of impurities, ready for its next stage of metamorphosis. This process, though seemingly simple, is crucial in determining the quality and texture of the final product. The type of wood, the pulping method employed, and the thoroughness of cleansing all contribute to the softness, strength, and absorbency of the toilet paper we use every day. The heart of a toilet paper factory is a symphony of whirring machinery, each component playing a crucial role in transforming the raw pulp into the familiar rolls. The process begins with the pulp being diluted with water and then fed into a massive machine known as a paper machine. This behemoth of engineering spreads the pulp onto a vast wire mesh, where gravity and suction work in tandem to drain away excess water. As the pulp travels along the wire mesh, it begins to take shape as a continuous sheet of paper. This still fragile sheet is then pressed between massive rollers, squeezing out any remaining moisture and further enhancing its strength and smoothness. The pressure applied during this process is carefully calibrated to achieve the desired thickness and texture of the toilet paper. The journey continues as the now dry paper web, still a continuous sheet, glides through a series of heated rollers. This crucial step, known as drying, removes any lingering moisture, ensuring the paper is ready for the next stage of the process, creeping. The creeping process is where the magic truly happens, imparting the signature texture and softness that we associate with toilet paper. A specialized roller fitted with a blade gently scrapes the paper web, creating tiny wrinkles and folds. These imperfections, though seemingly insignificant, are the secret behind toilet paper's softness and its ability to absorb moisture effectively. Throughout this intricate process, human expertise plays a vital role, working in harmony with the sophisticated machinery. Skilled technicians meticulously monitor every stage of production, ensuring the pulp mixture is consistent, the machines are calibrated to perfection, and the final product meets the highest standards of quality and hygiene. The collaboration between human ingenuity and advanced technology ensures that each roll of toilet paper that reaches our homes is a testament to precision engineering and unwavering dedication to quality. Section 5. Cutting and packaging, preparing for the consumer. With the creeping process complete, the continuous roll of toilet paper, now resembling a giant fluffy ribbon, is ready for its final transformation. Sharp blades slice through the paper, cutting it into precise lengths, each destined to become a single roll of toilet paper. The precision of this process is crucial, ensuring that each roll meets the standardized size and length expected by consumers. The freshly cut rolls are then whisked away on a conveyor belt to the packaging station, where they are carefully wrapped in protective layers of paper or plastic. This packaging serves several crucial functions, protecting the rolls from moisture and contamination during transport and storage, while also providing a convenient and hygienic way for consumers to handle and store the product in their homes. The final step in this intricate process involves labeling and packaging the individual rolls into larger bundles ready for distribution to retailers worldwide. Automated machinery, guided by sophisticated software, ensures that each package contains the correct number of rolls and that the labels clearly display essential information such as the brand, the number of plies, and any special features. Section 6. A global phenomenon, the reach of toilet paper. From the bustling factories where it is manufactured to the quiet bathrooms where it is used, toilet paper's journey highlights a global network of interconnectedness. The raw materials, often sourced from sustainably managed forests across the globe, embark on a journey that spans continents, highlighting the intricate web of global trade and logistics. The scale of production is staggering, with millions of rolls produced every single day to meet the demands of a global population. This constant flow of toilet paper, from factories to warehouses to supermarket shelves, is a testament to the efficiency of modern manufacturing and supply chain management. The next time you reach for a roll of toilet paper, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has undertaken. From the forests where its raw materials originated to the sophisticated factories where it was transformed into an everyday essential. Section 7. Environmental impact, a pressing concern. While toilet paper plays an undeniable role in maintaining hygiene and sanitation, it is crucial to acknowledge the environmental impact of its production. The reliance on virgin tree pulp raises concerns about deforestation and habitat loss, prompting a growing movement towards more sustainable alternatives. The manufacturing process itself, though highly efficient, requires significant amounts of water and energy, contributing to carbon emissions and water stress in certain regions. Wastewater from pulp mills, if not treated properly, can contaminate water sources, impacting aquatic life and ecosystems. Addressing these concerns requires a multi-pronged approach, from promoting responsible forestry practices to investing in innovative technologies that reduce water and energy consumption during manufacturing. Consumers too have a role to play by choosing recycled or bamboo-based toilet paper, opting for brands with a strong commitment to sustainability, and being mindful of their consumption habits. Section 8. The future of toilet paper innovation and sustainability. The future of toilet paper lies in striking a delicate balance between meeting the growing global demand for this essential product while minimizing its environmental impact. Innovative companies are already exploring sustainable alternatives to virgin tree pulp, such as bamboo, wheat straw, and recycled paper. Advancements in manufacturing technology are paving the way for more water and energy-efficient production processes, reducing the industry's carbon footprint. From water recycling systems to biofuel-powered boilers, these innovations are transforming the way toilet paper is made, making it more sustainable and eco-friendly. As we move forward, the journey of toilet paper production will continue to evolve, driven by technological advancements, environmental consciousness, and a commitment to meeting the needs of a growing global population. The humble role of toilet paper, once taken for granted, will continue to be a testament to human ingenuity and our constant quest for a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future.